Hi students, welcome to online tutor. In this video we are going to discussing the exercise 1.2 of chapter 1 relation and function. In this exercise we will discuss the problems of different type of functions. First one is injective or one function, second one surjective or onto function, and last one is bijective function. These all concept I was explained in detail in last posted video. Please watch that video first. Okay, then let us start. So exercise 1.2 first question, show that the function f from r star, we call this r star to r star, defined by f of x equal to 1 by x is 1 and onto, where this r star is, what is this r star is the set of all non-zero real numbers. That is the real numbers not include the 0. Okay, this is the first part of the question. The second part is this, the result is true if the domain r star is replaced by n means the natural number with the codomain being same as r. Okay, so this is the two part of the question. First part is this function we have to show is 1 and onto. Then second part, if the domain is replaced by n, then you check this result is true. Okay, so here our function is what, f defined from r star to r star, okay, by what, f of x equal to what, 1 by x, f of x equal to 1 by x. Okay, the mapping is 1 by x, that is a reciprocal. Suppose you take 1 by 2 like that. Okay, so here we have to check this 1 and onto. Okay, so before that, when we can draw the diagram like this, one diagram. Suppose this is a r star, okay, and this is what, again r star. Okay, so you take one number 2 is the real number, then f of 2 is equal to 1 by 2, that is this mapping is 1 by 2. Okay, so this mapping is 1 by 2. Then you take the 3, then that map to 1 by 3. Okay, the real number. Then next you take, suppose you take that 1 by 5, it's a real number, and then this goes to what, we take the reciprocal of this one, what, 5. Okay, mapping. So here every element is a mapping. There is a distinct element, what, distinct image in plus. So this is also what, 1. Okay, then here every element of this is pre-image of what, domain, pre-image in domain. So therefore the onto also. So from the figure you can see this part is 1 and onto, but how to show this one? Okay, so for that one, so here first we can show the what, 1. Okay, 1 or injective. Okay, so we can take for every x1 comma x2 belongs to r star. This r star is what, domain. Okay, domain, and so f of x1 is equal to what, f of x equal to 1 by x, therefore f of x1 equal to what, 1 by x1, and f of x2 is equal to what, 1 by x2. Okay, then we have f of x1 equal to f of x2. Okay, this implies what, f of x1 equal to what, 1 by x1, 1 by x1 is equal to 1 by x2. Okay, then you what, cross multiply this, that you multiply this, you take this side, and then this you take what, this side. Okay, then this implies what, take this one, x2 equal to what? x1, x2 equal to x2, then this implies what? Therefore f is 1 1 1 1 or injective function. Okay, clear? Okay, so this way you have to, for every x1 equal to f of x1 equal to f of x2, send x2 equal to x1 or x1 equal to x2. Okay, next we have to show what? Onto. Function is onto or not. So for we can take for every what y belongs to R star, this is codomain. R star is codomain. Then this y equal to what? Y equal to f of x. Okay, that is, what is f of x? Y equal to f of x equal to 1 by x. Okay, in this case, this is a y equal to, you can write x equal to, that this equation or this equation or expression write in terms of x, or we can make to subject what? x, okay, or in terms of x. So that one, you have to first you cross multiply this. Okay, so take this one, xy equal to what? 1, therefore x equal to what? 1 by y. Okay, so x equal to 1 by y. For every y belongs to a domain, then there exists 1x, that x equal to what? 1 by y belongs to R star. This R star is what? Domain, such that what? F of x equal to, what is f of x equal to? 1 by x. That is equal to, what is 1 by x? Here 1 by x equal to what? This one, 1 by x equal to what? 1 by y. Here I substitute 1 by y, that means take the reciprocal, we, okay, goes to this one. So f of x equal to what? Y. Okay, therefore f is onto or surjective function. So f is what? 1 1 on 1 1 also, onto also. Clear? Second part of the question is the result is true, that means the is 1 1 or onto if the domain, this domain is replaced by natural number with the codomain being same. That means f from n to R star. Okay, instead of R we have replaced n. Okay, then by defined by same, f of x equal to what? 1 by x. That is, if you take x, the reciprocal of that one, that is a function defined. Okay, so we can take the, suppose using the diagram, first you check this diagram. Okay, two sets, the domain is what? N, codomain is R star. So here you suppose in a domain is there's a 1 2 3 4 5 etc. So you take part this one, the one is mapping 1 by 1, that is a 1, 2 is mapping 1 by 2, this is a real number, and 3 is mapping 1 by 3, and 4 is mapping 1 by 4 like that. So this all are real number. But you take, suppose you take this, suppose 5, okay, this is a 5 also real number. Is there any mapping this from this? No. So here all the, so if you take the 5 is mapping to 1 by 5, etc, etc. Okay, so all the elements of the what domain, or you can say the distinct elements of domain are distinct image in what R star. Okay, the function f is what 1 1. Okay, but 5 here, if you take the 5 from here, no pre-image in what in domain. So this not onto, but this what 1 1 function. Okay, first you have to show how to this 1 1. Okay, 1 1. So same like for all x1 comma x2 belongs to n is domain, then, and f of x1 is equal to what 1 by x2 1 by x1, and f of x2 is equal to what 1 by x2. Okay, then what f of x1 equal to f of x2, this implies 1 by x1 is equal to 1 by x2. This implies cross multiply x2 equal to x1. Therefore f is what 1 1 or injective function. Okay, injective function. Clear? Then from the figure we can say there is a 5 and no pre-image. The 5 also real number, 5 or 2, you can take 2 also no image in n, pre-image in n. Therefore this not onto. So how to show this? Okay, so you can take, so for every y equal to, you can take one number 3 belongs to R star, this what codomain, then there exist x equal to some other number, what you can take 4 belongs to n, natural number. Okay, that is domain such that you can take f of x equal to what, f of x equal to 1 by x. Okay, that is equal to, x is equal to what 1 by 4. We need if f of x equal to what, y we need. Okay, that is not equal to what, y 3. Okay, that this implies f of x equal to not equal to y. Therefore f is not onto function. So f is 1 1 but not onto function. Okay, this is the second question. Check the injective and surjective of the following function. First is f from n to n given by f of x equal to x square. Second, f from set to set given by f of x equal to x square. Third one, f from r to r given by f of x equal to x square. And fourth one, f from n to n given by f of x equal to x cube. And fourth one, f from set to set given by f of x equal to x cube. Yes, you check these all are injective or surjective. So you can take the first one. Okay, this is the first one. f from n to n, natural number to natural number given by f of x equal to x square. The mapping is, suppose f of x equal to x square means if you put 1 equal to here x equal to 1, then 1 square, 2 square, etc. like this. So we can first draw the our set n domain, and this one what codomain n. Okay, then 1 is mapping to 1 square. 1 square means 1. Okay, then you take the 2 is mapping 4. Okay, then you take 3 is mapping what 9. Okay, then you take 4, it's mapping to what 16, then 5 25, etc. So here distinct element of n, that is codomain, is a distinct image in codomain. So this becomes injective or 1 function. But here you listen this, check the onto. So 1 is a pre-image. If you take the 2 no pre-image here. Then you take the 3 no pre-image. Okay, 4 as a pre-image 2. Then if you take the 5 has no pre-image in n. So this not onto, that means surjective. So how you check this what injective? So injective, take the first you check injective, you know the injective. So for that one take for every x1 comma x2 belongs to n, it means domain, and f of x1 equal to x1 square. Okay, square, and f of x2 equal to x2 square. Okay, then take then f of x1 equal to f of x2. What is f of x1? This implies x1 square. Okay, equal to x2 square. Okay, then just we can write here. Then you take what root. Okay, this implies x1 square, x1 is equal to what, plus or minus x2. Okay, that means we can take x1 equal to what, x2, or x1 equal to what, minus x2. Okay, but you check that this x1 and x2 what belongs to n, natural number only. So we can't take what, this we can't take what, x1 equal to x2. So only we can take, this implies we can take x1 equal to x2. Therefore f is what, injective function. Okay, injective function. This way you can show. Then next you can check what, surjective. Okay, surjective function. Okay, surjective function, we suppose, what is a codomain? Codomain of f is what, n. It means set of all natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay, then what is the range? Range is equal to, range set is equal to what? It's a mapping, only mapping 1, 4, 9, 16, etc. So 1, 4, 9, 16, etc. So here check range and codomain are equal. If range and codomain are equal, then we can say that f is surjective or onto. Here what, range and codomain are different. So you can write range of f not equal to what, codomain. If they are equal, then we can say what, this onto, that if one is every element is a pre-image. Okay, so therefore f is not surjective function. Okay, here and hence f is injective but not surjective function. Okay, clear? So this is the second question. F from z to z given by f of x equal to x square. So z means integer. Okay, so we can first draw the diagram. So this domain and this what codomain, this z, this also z. Okay, so elements first we can take what, -1 map to 1. Okay, then you can take a 0 is mapping to 0 only, 0 square. Then 1, okay, 1 is mapping to square of 1, again 1. Then you can take -2 map to -2 square, 4. Okay, again you can take 2 square of 2 is 4, etc. Okay, so here listen, so here -1 is mapping to 1 and 1 also mapping to 1. That means 1 and -1 is the same image. Also 2 and -2 also same image. So this what, not injective function. Also here you can take what, 1. Okay, 1 is what, pre-image -1. Also 1 is what, pre-image 1 also. Then what is the image of -1? Pre-image of -1, no. So again the pre-image of 2, no. So we can't take the pre-image of 1 and pre-image of 2. So this becomes what, not onto. Okay, so every element of codomain is not pre-image in domain. So this not what, onto or surjective function. So here f is what, not neither surjective nor injective. Okay, so we can how to check this one. So first you checking what, injective. Okay, injective function. So we can take for every x1 comma x2 belongs to z. Z is what, domain. Okay, domain. Then f of x1 equal to x1 square. Okay, and f of x2 is equal to what, x2 square. Okay, then f of x1 equal to f of x2, this implies x1 square equal to x2 square. Okay, then you take the square root. So this implies x1 equal to plus or minus x2. Okay, so we can take either x1 equal to x2 or x1 equal to minus x2. So here x1 and x2 belongs to z. That means 1 and minus 1, 2 and minus 2 also belongs to this one. So here we can't say, but this implies x1 not equal to what, x2. That means x1 is a 2 values, not equal to x2. Okay, so therefore f is not injective function. Okay, then next you can check what, surjective function. Okay, surjective function. Okay, so here listen, what is a codomain? Codomain, what? Z. What is Z? Z is equal to 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 etc. This is Z. Okay, what is the range? Range of f is equal to, range is what? This, what? 1, 0, 4 etc. So here 0, 1, 4, 9 etc. Okay, so you check this domain and range is equal? No. So range of f not equal to codomain. Okay, not equal to codomain. Clear? Therefore f is not surjective function. Surjective function. Okay, and hence what? F is neither injective nor surjective. Clear? Okay.